Good afternoon, students. Am I audible? Hello, am I audible? Okay, Snehal. So from today's lecture onwards, we will start the revision of our subject. Okay. Uh, Before starting complete revision, I want to ask you one question: whether you want a particular points to be revised or all syllabus will be get revised. Yes, or only interview related questions or technical aptitude related questions, such a pattern. Yes, I want answer from your side because this revision contains all types of questions like interviews, then apti. That's why I'm asking you whether you want syllabus related questions or in general questions related to core Java and advanced Java. Yes, because we have already learned the theory part as well as okay, Omkar, industrial application according to my opinion. Okay. Uh, yes, students, I want answer from your side because according to your requirement, I will prepare complete notes. It means I will share with you a detailed data related to aptitude, industrial trainings as well as industrial apti, technical apti. You are calling it as a technical apti, right? That's why I'm asking you whether you want such a type of questions to be discussed in the lecture or what are syllabus set by our university. We will discuss only that part. Okay, Sanskriti, technical acting. Okay. Anybody else? Because I want these answers before starting our revision. When I will start revision, I will work according to your requirement. That's why I'm asking you before starting lecture whether you want which type of a portion must be covered in the revision. Yes, because this is the right time because we are having complete 3 weeks in our hand to revise such a things. Because I'm having different types of programs which are required for your technical activity. That's why I'm asking. So I can share it with you in the lecture only. So I can execute in front of you and I can solve your queries while implementing such a programs. Okay, very small points are there. That's why I'm asking over here. So I can start from those points. Okay, so I will start your revision as per suggestion given by you. Okay, so we will totally focus on the technical front, which will require to solve the technical apti as well as the interviews. Okay, as well as some types of application which are required by the industries. Okay, for application you need the advanced Java mostly, and for technical apti it is totally depend on the core Java because as per your resume it will depend. Okay, if you are giving the interview and if we have mentioned over as a you are best in the core Java, then they will ask you mostly questions based on the core Java. So we will start with core Java and then we will move towards the applications which are required for your industrial perspective. Okay. So today we will start with basics. Okay, okay. Is anybody want to share your views? Otherwise, we will start our lecture. Okay. Should I start? Yes. Should I start?
Yes, ma'am.
Oh. 1 minute, I will share my screen. Today I have prepared a very basic part. Is the my screen is visible?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So we will start our today's lecture with very simple examples because this is the part of the basics. So we will start from that example. Before starting this example, I want to share some features uh, that you have already learned while we have started the Java. Okay, so I will only revise those features within one sentence so we can start our uh, actual programming part. Okay, so according to Java, there are many features, but out of that we are listed 8 features. First one is a simple, then object oriented, portable, platform independent, secured, robust, architecture neural, interpreted, high performance, multi-threaded, distributed, and dynamic. Okay, now you know each and every feature how it works and how to answer as per the feature. Okay, if anybody asks you the question what is meant by platform independent, you should able to answer the question. Okay, so I will revise that pattern why Java is called as the platform independent. Okay, it is different from other programming languages like a C and C++ because it needs a platform to be executed, but whenever you are executing a Java program, first, that Java program is converted into .class file, means bytecode conversion. And then, whenever you want to implement or execute that program, only Java platform must be there. Then there is a no necessity to every time compile that program. You can directly execute with the help of a Java platform. Okay, Java doesn't depend upon the operating system to be executed. That's why it is called as the platform independent. Okay, so whenever you are running your Java program, first it is converted into bytecode, and that bytecode is again executable on any operating system which having the Java platform. Okay, that's why it is called as the secure. Every Java code is converted into bytecode. That's why it is called as the secured one. Then architecture neural because it is not dependent on the architecture. Okay, you have already seen that in C, the size of a data types may vary according to the architecture. Means if you are using 32 by bit or if you are using 64 bit, according to its data type, it is get changed. But here there is no necessity to change it. Okay, that's why architecture neural. Uh, that's why the performance is high. We have already studied the multi-threaded as well as distributed system. So we will directly start our lecture with the help of a basic program. Okay, so first program. See here, I have created one simple class having name as a capital A. You can give your own name or your required name. Don't worry about it because it is totally depend on the user. Okay, now see here. I have created a simple main loop main function. In that I have written a simple statement, SOP statement, hello Java. Okay. Now see here what I will do. First I will save this program as save as dot Java. See here carefully what I am doing. I have created one program having name as a having class name as a capital A, and I am saving this program as a dot Java. Okay, I'm saving it as a dot Java and I will save. I have already saved it, but still I will save it once again. Okay, now you can see here. This is file, blank file means there is no any name. We have saved our Java program with blank name. Okay, now I want to ask you one question, whether that file is get executed, means first it is get compiled or not. This is my first question. Okay, and if that file is get compiled, whether it is get executed or not. Okay, have you understood the question? What I have done, I have created one simple program with class name as a capital A, and I have saved this program having name as a blank, means .java only, having extension of a Java. And if I have compiled it, whether is it compilable or not, and if it is get compiled, at that time is it implemented, means is it or not. Yes, I want answer from your side. This is very basic program, but this is important as per interview perspective. Yes, students, you can drop the message in the chat box also. Is it compiled or not? I will show its demo also, don't worry about it, but first I want answer from your side. Yes, can we compile it successfully? You can mention in the chat box. Yes, Prajakta, you have mentioned it as a yes. Okay. Remaining students, see here, whenever revision related lectures are going on, I want answers from your side also. Okay, you must be participated in these lectures. Then and then only your queries will be get cleared. Otherwise, you are carrying those queries with you. Yes, I want answer of this question. Is it compiled or not? You can mention in the chat box. There is no necessity to, or you can drop me a message also. Yes. Okay. Right. It will be compiled. Okay. Because we have saved our program with the extension as a .java. Okay. Why it is get compiled? Java allows you to save your program with .java extension only. And right now we have saved our program with .java extension. Okay. So there is no any error while compiling. Okay. But see, how to compile such a types of a program. Java C, here there is no any type of file name, so directly .java. Okay, you can see at the back side, see here, bytecode means dot class file of a class A is get generated over here, because in our program class name is a capital A. So its bytecode is get generated, and so you can directly execute this program with Java and class. Understood? This is very basic program, but we will start from such a types of a programs. That will be very easy because many of you have maybe get missed such a lectures. That's why I've started with such a programs. Okay. So this is must be, and this type of a programming is called as a is empty file name. Okay. Is empty file name, a valid source file name or not. Okay, so question behind this program is what? Is empty Java file name is a valid source file name or not? So whenever such a type of a question they will ask you, you have to prove with this process. Okay, because at that time you are having different tensions. That's why you may get confused in such a questions. Okay, so make a list of such a questions, carry with you whenever you are in the learning. Okay, so I will move further. If you want to write down this answer, you can. Okay. So I want to discuss one thing, that is the memory over here. There are different types of memory areas are available to allocate a JVM. Okay. So I will clear here only different names of a memory. First one is a class area, means whatever you are declaring the classes methods. Okay. For that particular classes, some areas get allocated from memory. There another one is a heap memory, stack, then program counter register, and native method stack. These are the different types of memories which are utilized or allocated by JVM to implement our programs. Okay, so only keep the names with you. First one is a class or method area. Second one is a heap memory, then stack, program counter register. You have already learned in the microprocessor PC counter, right? Then native method stack. Okay, many of times we have used the stack also in our programs. So different memories are required to implement such a programs. Okay, now I want to move further. Is there any queries related to this basics? Okay, so I will move further. This is also very basic program. 1 minute. Okay. See here, what I have done, I have created a simple method, that is the main method, and in that I have written two statements, and in that statements, in first statement I have written 10 plus 20 plus hello. Hello is the string, and same values are there, but I have started it with hello, means started it with string. Okay, now I want answer from your side. What will be answer for this first line and what will be the answer for second line? Okay, I want answer from your side. This is very basic question. First one is SOP 10 plus 20 plus hello, and second one hello plus 10 plus 20. And why this answer will? Okay, first of all give the answer, then I will discuss with you. You can implement on the online compiler also, because this is very simple programs. Only we have to check the logic. Why such a types of answer will be get generated. You can take 2 to 3 minutes, solve it, and then give the answer. Okay, Prajakta has given answer as a 30 and hello, and for second line hello and 30. Okay. Yes, students, all of you, participate in these things, because this is very interesting part. When you will start working on it, then it will be very interesting. That's why I'm telling you, participate in the lecture. Yes, Prajakta, you have given an answer, but that answer is a 50% correct. Yes, remaining students, try on it. Only few students are giving the answer. Don't worry, it may be a wrong, it may be a right. Okay. This is totally related to logic as well as the concepts of a Java. Okay. If you have learned it or read it clearly, then you can understand it, what is going on in these two statements. This is not a difficult one, but only you have to understand the logic behind these two lines. Yes, Shivani, you have written a correct answer. Can you explain it, Shivani? Yes, if you don't mind, can you explain it? My second answer, second line answer is a hello 1020. Yes, Sonali, it's correct. Only 50% part is correct. Yes, Shivani Avtade, am I audible? Hello, Shivani, am I audible? Your answer is correct. Can you explain the second statement? Why answer is this like this? After string, the addition is not performed. Yes, correct. But there is a one reason behind it. Why this addition is not done after string, and why it has happened with first statement. You have already learned in the string. Okay. I want that particular answer. You have written correctly, that is after string the addition is not performed. But why? You can think on it. I will give you 2 minutes. Yes, anybody of you have got this answer? You can share over here. Because whenever we are dealing with the revision, it must be both sides. Treated as a string. When usually the encountering string, the rest of treated as a string. Correct. Omkar, you have written correctly, but this is related to second statement. Okay, see here, Shivani and Omkar given a correct answer. Now see here why this is going on in such a pattern. First, I will implement it. Okay. Okay, you can see here. First answer is 30 and hello, and second answer is a hello 1020. Now see, answer of a first line is a why 30 and hello. In first case, what is going on? 10 and 20 are treated as a number. First one. Okay, in first statement, 10 and 20 treated as a numbers and they get added, and answer is a 30. After that, there is a concatenation, means whenever plus operation is there, if two means integer or double values are there, it will be considered as a addition operator, and after that values, if any string or any character comes at that time, it is called as the concatenation operation. Okay, understood? Whenever we are dealing with the integer or double values, at that time it is called as the addition operator, and whenever after all these things, any string or any character found in that statement, at that time that plus operator is called as the concatenated, means concatenation operation. That's why answer of a first line is a 30 hello. And for the second one, first is the string, right? And whenever you will find out first one is as a string, means like a answer given by Shivani as well as Omkar. First is the string. That's why remaining also considered as a string only. Okay, that's why after plus means this is called as the concatenation, because after that it will not check whether this is integer or string. It will randomly take it as a string only, and that's why answer of a second line is a hello 1020. Okay, so This is actually basic question, but whenever technical aptitudes are going on, at that time what will they do? They will provide you one program, and in that program such a types of statements are given, and they will ask you give the answer of this program, means output of this program. So and they will provide you different options, two or four options, and you have to select the one option. At that time you will need this logic. Okay, that's why I have separated this program within a two lines. Okay, now I will do one change over here. See, have you taken its answer? So I can make a change over here. Okay, now see, I will do one change over here. I will replace this plus operation by multiplication and save over here plus with multiplication. I will save this, and now you have to give the answer of this program. Now it will be very easy to give the answer. Okay. First give the answer, then I will compile it. Only I have replaced plus operation by multiplication operation. Prajakta, you have given a correct answer. I think now all of you got the logic behind it. Yes, Sanskriti and Madhura, you have given an answer of one statement. Yes. Okay. Understood why this is going on? Because first statement is correct. It is treated as a integer. That's why it completely get multiplied with 10 and then concatenated with that string. And for second one, why this is calculated? Because this is the plus, that is the addition or concatenation, both ways are there, and this is the multiplication. And whenever you are dealing with concatenation or addition with multiplication, the preference given to multiplication is high. Okay, at that time preference will matter. So whenever preference is greater than addition, then first that operation is get completed. That's why first multiplication is get completed, and then this complete statement is get printed as a hello 200. Okay, so so whatever answers given by you, all answers are correct. Now you can see I will implement it. Understood? So whenever you are dealing with a many lines program, that is a 15 or 20 lines code they have given you, and after that they are asking, at that time it may be get confused. That's why I'm giving you such a program. So while solving such a program, please read it clearly and then give its answer, means calculate its answer and then give its output. Okay, otherwise your output will get changed. Okay. Before moving towards next program, uh, first we will conduct your attendance, then we will move further, because today's lecture is of 1 hour. A division, first 20 roll numbers, mention your roll numbers over here. Next, 21 to 40. To 40. 41 to 60, A division. 41 to 60 over 61 to 70. After this basics, we will start the pattern programming. A division. Anybody has remained to give the presentee? Mention your roll number so I can move towards B division. Finished? Okay. B division 1 to 20. Don't repeat the roll numbers. 1 to 20 over 21 to 40. 41 to 60. 41 to 60 and 61 to 80. Okay, if anybody has remained to give the presentee, mention your roll numbers from both the divisions. Don't repeat the roll numbers. If you have given already presentee, then don't repeat the roll numbers because this is in recording, so all these messages are get recorded. Okay. I want to ask you one question. If anybody has tried related to pattern, before that, have you solved such a types of questions? Have you solved pattern programming as one practice? Yes. If you are started solving such a programs, then I will take only required programs. Otherwise, I will take every type program one by one. Yes, students, have you solved such a types of a program like a triangle, diamond, pyramid, likewise? Yes. If you have solved, then we will start directly the next part. If you have not solved, then we will see some programs which are required and then we will move further. That is the string. Okay, should I take such a types of a programs? Pattern programs. This comes under the basics. Yes, students. You can drop the message in the chat box whether we will take these programs or we will directly move towards string programming. Yes, students. How I will know whether you have solved it or not? Yes. without your answer, I can't move further. That's why I'm asking. Have you solved such a types of a program? Okay, I will show you what I am asking over here. See here, this is the pattern programming. Okay, that is the pyramid, then triangle. You can see here different types of triangles are there. Then diamond. Okay, likewise. Whether you have solved such a programs or not. If not, then I will take all these programs and then move further the string program. If not, otherwise I will directly start the string. Yes, am I audible? Not solved. Okay. A division students? Because for B division in basics, I have not conducted such a programs. That's why I'm asking whether A division students have you solved it? If you have solved, then this will be considered as a revision for you. But at least mention here, have you solved or not? Yes, A division students. Are you with me? Yes, Sanskruti. Hello, Sanskruti.
Yeah, ma'am.
Okay, it means from both the divisions that part is not covered. Okay, so I will start with such a types of a programming. First, I will show you which types of a. Oh, 1 minute. Okay. Now see here, different types of pattern programs are available, already available, but you should know the logic because this is very basic programs. They will provide you this pattern, okay, as an output, and they will say you that you have to implement this pattern with the help of a Java. At that time, your logic must be there, okay. So before starting it, I want to share with you different types of patterns. I will tell its names. So we will start it one by one. So this is the pyramid pattern. Okay. So this is the pyramid pattern, but this is the half one. Means this is not a complete pyramid. Half portion. When you join same pattern in the left side also, then it is the complete pyramid. Okay. So and one more thing, this is the right side or half pyramid, and it may be happen with left side also. Okay. Now this is made with the help of a stars. You can provide here if plus, then it may be start with plus, and if you will provide the numbers, then it will be defined as a numeric pyramid. Here also different changes are there. Now you can see here it is 1, means when its columns are get increased, its numbers are also get increased over here. So according to that, its logic is get changed. Means here for loops are get changed. Uh, these patterns are already covered in the C and C++ also, but I don't know whether you have implemented such a patterns or not. So I will take its logic as well as implementation. Then another one part is the alphabet. Here also different logic is there. Here first row contains single A. In second row, all columns contains B. In third row, all columns contain C. Likewise, its pyramid is going on. Okay. So this is a half pyramid of alphabets. Then inverted half pyramids. Okay. This same is applicable to numbers, applicable to uh, alphabets also. Okay. Then another one is a pyramid, full pyramid. Right now I have discussed with you. So this is the full pyramid or simply pyramid. Another one is the pyramid of numbers, but it is also having name. At that time I will discuss with you. Then inverted pyramid. Right now I have discussed with you. So this is the pyramid of numbers. But it is also having name. At that time I will discuss with you. Then inverted pyramid. Then another one is the pyramid of numbers, but it is also having name. At that time I will discuss with you. Then inverted pyramid. Okay, then Pascal triangle. Okay, you have already learned in the maths Pascal triangle, right? Means at the center addition of these two. Okay, so you can see here addition of these two is at the center. In same fashion here is going on as a answer. Then flood triangle means starting with one and ending with particular number according to rows and columns. So this is the flood triangle. So these are the very basic triangles, basic patterns which are used for your interviews. They will provide you this output and ask you the logic behind these programs. So we will start one by one and I will provide you some pattern and you have to implement it from your side. I will not ask you to submit it to me, okay? But you have to implement it for your practice. And if you want to submit it to me, I will share you one folder. In that you can submit it so I can check it and give you the reply. Okay, so we will start it one by one. First I will take this program. Okay, so this is the pattern program. I will save it as the same name. Okay, now first I will explain you the logic behind it. You can see here this is the output, means in single row and single column total 5 rows and 5 columns are there, and in that your pyramid is get done. Now see how it is get done. First we have provided total rows as a 5. That's why this answer is like 5 by 5. You can take input from the user, you know, different string operations, right? You can use the data stream as well as the scanner class. By using both the ways, you can take the input from the user number of rows. And in first for loop, we have taken total number of rows. It will start with 1 and end with actual count. And it is related to rows, means it is going on horizontally. Okay, so it will calculate the total rows like first row, then second row, third row, fourth row and fifth row likewise. And second for loop. This for loop is designed as first one is the j is equal to 1 and second less than or equal to I. Initially I value is the 1. So its location is present, first star location present at the first location. Okay, after that i's get incremented over here. Value of I is nothing but 2. So in second row it will be calculated as a 2 star. You can see here in SOP statement we have provided star and space. If we don't provide this space, then that spaces get removed. But right now we have provided space to see its output very clearly. Okay, after that again increment is there. I is get incremented by 1. It means its value is incremented to 3. So total 3 stars are there. Okay, likewise. Then again it is incremented, 4 stars are there. And at the last 5, and after 5 here pre-increment is there, means 6, but answer means condition is get false, so here your complete values get stopped. And now we see here this is the inner for loop, and outside this for loop we have given one SOP statement to give the one space, means to move to next line. That's why we have given the SOP statement, means after completion of this row it will start with new row. Okay, so this is the logic behind this blank statement. Okay, now I will show you its output. Okay, so I will compile it. Okay, understood? Have you got the same answer? After lecture means after completion of all these patterns, I will provide these programs, or if you want to solve such a types of programs, I will provide a different statements also. Okay, purposefully I have running these programs on the command line, so you can see its output very clearly. If I have run with the help of Eclipse, then for view purpose it may be somewhat small, that's why I'm running on the console. Any queries in this? Yes, have you cleared? Okay, you can take it screenshot of this program. When pattern programming will get completed, I will share all these programs making a zip file to you. Okay, should I move further? We will see a single program and then we will stop for today. That's why I'm asking, should I move further?
Yes.
Yes. We will conduct a single program and then we will stop our lecture. But should I conduct that program or not? Yes, are you with me? Okay. Okay, so we will see a single program. That is the second pattern. This is also half pyramid but with the help of a numbers. Now see here. 1 minute. I will take in the. I will share this PDF with you. Sorry, Word file with you after completion of these programs. Okay. Now see here. Here also same rows I have provided. Same logic is there, but here I have provided value as a j. Means whatever values are present in the second for loop, that is the value of a j, we are printing as a output. Understood what happening over here? Now see what will be the answers. I will remove this. Initially j value is the 1 and I value is also 1. So single values get printed, that value is nothing but the 1. Okay. Then in second one, j is get incremented by 1, but initially it is started with 1 only and it will reach up to ith value and ith value become as a 2. So it will print over here as a 1 and 2. Okay, have you understood this logic? What is going on? In second for loop, j increments from 1 to ith value. Okay, for first position, I is 1. Then for second time, I is get incremented by 1 and it become as a 2. So 1 and 2 is there. At third time, I is become as a 3. So values are nothing but the 1, 2 and 3. Same with fourth, 1, 2, 3 and 4. And last one is the last value, that is the row 5. Okay, so this will be the output of these two for loops. What we have done, only we have replaced our star with j, and j is starting with 1 and ending with ith value, and space is given with the help of a double quote. Right now we have seen two statements, that is the one is acting as an addition and second one is acting as a concatenation operation. Okay, same is applicable over here. Okay, now you can see its output. Again compile it because we have changed the logic. Okay, so this is the very simple logic behind this output. Okay, so they will provide you the output and they will ask you implement it. Okay, so take it. Is it useful? Yes, all of you. Or you want any other programs that you have seen, but okay. Okay, Madhura. Okay. Okay. So we will move further, means in the next lectures also we will use the same, means what are useful programs are there as per your interviews as well as technical apti. We will see those programs in these revisions. Okay, what are lectures possible lectures are there, in those lectures we will see such a programmings also. Okay, at least I can show it you up to database. I am unable to show you the that GUI related programs because that platform is not supported to my laptop, but remaining all programs I will show you in these lectures. Okay, any queries? Yes, any queries are there? No queries? Okay, so today we will stop here. In next lecture onward, we will complete this as well as we will take the different types of string operations. Okay, in the lectures, I think we have not discussed detail about string operations because different logics are there with the help of a data stream and different input output statements. So we will see pattern programming as well as string programming in the next lecture. If you want to read it, you can read it. Do some study so you can give the answers in the lectures also, at least basics answer. It may not be 100% correct, but you should tell at least 50%. Okay, so take care all of you and we will stop here. Thank you.